So the the X2, we're giving up. We're gonna part it out. So I found out that this sat for a few years with water in the hole, like there was a leak in the cover and it was just covered in water. That's why the flywheel's rusted on. That's why everything in the engine's crusty and rusty. It's a mess. There's hull damage. So I guess we're just gonna part it out. I think that's gonna be the best case scenario for the life of this. It sucks. I thought we could do something with it, but it doesn't seem to be the case. So we're gonna take it apart, part it out. I tried every tool, spent hundreds of dollars trying to get the flywheel off, trying to get everything back together. It's a mess, so another vintage jet ski goes down the drain. Oh well, and that's my problem. But before we get into that, we're gonna have to clean the garage again. And then I'm gonna move the IS300 parts back to Rowie side, and that's about it. Maybe we'll work on the XR250R, hoping to get another jet ski and a John boat. And then I have another jet ski from a buddy's dad that we need to work on. So yeah, the fate of the X2 is really don't know where this video is left off or what's going on with the video, but I picked up another jet ski. It is an SX 550 with a brand new motor that has never ran before. It's been sitting forever. It's covered in dirt, as you can only assume. So we'll see. That's the same owner as the SX650. The X2, I probably already said it in this video, but that's most likely donezo. I'll look for a motor for it, see if we can find something, but as of now, it's toast. But the 550 is pretty cool. It's a little different of a layout. Missing the gas tank, but we'll figure that we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Other than that, we're gonna probably wash the 652. We'll give these a good clean. And then put it on the stand after I clean the garage, because the garage is so messy. I just had to take a little break in my day to go do this. So we'll see what happens. So we got two stand-ups, I should say. 650, that's been on here before, runs great. And now we have the 550. As you can see, it is super dirty. I forgot the tripod, so it's going to be before and after shots. But she is filthy. Let's clean them up and go from there. Boop. Alrighty. Got her cleaned up. I wish I had the patience to do all the body work, but doesn't look too bad. Obviously, it's from 1989. It has its things and dents, but it's cleaned up pretty nice. I love the pink. I think it's fresh. So let's go back to the shop, finish cleaning up there, and then we'll put her on a stand and start looking at it, and we'll see what it needs. This is one of my favorite parts. the strap comes out, and that's how you, something like this, and then this buckles in. Woo! That's tight. At this point in my life consists of working, going to the garage every morning and most evenings, making a mess, cleaning the mess every week, and I just continue to work on things, break things, fix things, and break them, and fix them and break them. It's my life. That's how I'm living. All right, we are back in the shop, and it is a damn mess. Move shelves around, try to make it more space, more organized now that we have the Lexus parts gone. But let's see what we come up with. Start the time lapse now. Alright, time to bring in the ski. I cleaned the garage. It looks great. Still some more to do, but I'll show you guys. Oop. I need to sell this. I've been trying. If you want it, take it for free. Move the shelves over here. Obviously that trash bag's not going to be there. Set up a table. Obviously it's a little cluttered over here, but I put the jet ski over here for now, just so I can work on the one. But lots of room, and hopefully I can fit like a 12-foot John boat in here. That would be freaking ideal, because that's the next project. And I got this bar cart. I think it's from IKEA. My brother got rid of it, so now I'll just use it as a tool cart. Free stuff is the best. But all right. Now that the shop is cleaned up, a little different organization. We got the ski in here. Let's take some inventory, see what we have, see what gaskets are laying around, nuts, bolts, and then we will figure it out from there. Got some gaskets here. I think that's probably is an upgraded Mikuni carb. As you can see, it is a Kawasaki 530cc. I guess that's where that goes, that I have that. I mean, everything looks legit. I knew it was upgraded a little bit. Gotta figure out what's up with the exhaust piping. Yeah, that's what this is, so I guess we'll figure it out. I don't know. Kind of confusing, but we'll figure it out. I just shoved this on here for testing purposes, but that looks like that fits. There's a pipe down below here. So I'm guessing this. Yeah, but that should go under there, and the exhaust goes this way and out that way. Interesting. Lastly, in the meantime, I bought this on Amazon for like $7, just a little test tank for gas. Made some angle brackets so I can hook them on the handlebars, petcock filter, and then into the carb. Figured that might not be a bad idea. Gotta wait to find the tank. Ordered a starter and ordered some gaskets. I'm hoping to have this fired up by next week, so that should be good. Stay tuned. I think I finished episode 3 today. Started and finished episode 4. So I guess just a recap. The 650SX is good. It's the stand-up. It's perfect. The X2, which is a hybrid, not good. Most likely we'll part it out. They're gonna look into getting a new motor, so we'll see on that. And then the new project is the 550 stand-up. So the 550 has a brand new motor, and we will see if it runs. Everything looks good so far. The exhaust is a little funky. They ran it out the back instead of the side, but I ordered a new starter and stuff like that, so we will see what happens. Thank you for watching.